we are going to use a curves adjustment layer to fix this overexposed photo. So here I'm up on the adjustments palette. I'll click on a curves adjustment layer, and here's our curves. Now you'll notice that this is a grayscale image. There's something different about a grayscale image than an RGB. The histogram is inverted. So your black point now is on the right, and your white point is on the left. And black is on the top and white is on the bottom, where it's exactly the opposite on an RGB image. As you look at the histogram in the background here, you'll notice that our darkest black in the image is actually lighter than 50% gray. There's no black in this image at all. To fix this, we'll take the black point on the curve and we'll drag it to the left here until it touches the edge of that histogram. Notice the adjustments. Amazing what it can do. Now you have a little eyeball down here that you can see a before and after. Or if you want to reset, you can click on this one. Now I'm going to show you what the auto button does. Let's click on it. Bang! It did the same thing we just did, only automatically. If there's something over here on this side that I use all the time, it's this one right here. It's a little finger pointy type of a button. If you click on it, it allows you to go into your image, and as you hover over different areas, you'll see a corresponding point on the curve. So for example, if I click on that part and I start dragging downwards, you'll see me bend that curve in about the same shape. We didn't move the black point. We moved that level of gray down to almost black. You can click on a white area and say, okay, I'd like to adjust the lights a little bit. And so you can click on any point in the image and drag either up or down to lighten or darken it. Curves are pretty amazing because it gives you a tremendous amount of control over the luminance values in your image.